Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to create Facebook page auto replies. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to your page. Okay, so I switched to my page right now. So this is my page. Now the next thing to do here is you have to go and tap your profile or tap the name of your page. This is what it looks like. Now what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down to the left and then go to Meta Business Suite. Tap this one and it will take you directly to another page. Now, here you have to go again to the left side and you will see your inbox. So you have to click this inbox option right here. Tap this one. And then you just have to skip this part. Tap X or not now. Okay, so everything is up to you. You can also just tap confirm and go on. But we're going to focus on the replies here. So you can see here all messages. But I want you to do now is you have to click this automation, tap this one, and then you will see here instant reply. Okay, you can see it right here. You can also see here frequently asked question. You can try it. You can also try away message if you're having a vacation at the moment. You can also tap this identify unanswered messages and also this contact information. You can try this, but for if you want to create your own, then you can tap this create automation. So tap this automation above, and then after that what you're going to do here is you have to simply scroll down and tap this instant reply. So once you tap this, then probably you can now start creating your own message to your customer or to anyone. So toggle this one on and then tap messenger here. Okay, so when this happens, you will have some instructions. But what you're going to do is you have to focus on message. Now you can add something here. Everything is up to you. You can also preview in Messenger. You can see it on the right side. What does it look like when this message sent to someone or your customer or someone right here. You can also add emoji or emoticons if you want or other things here. And then after that, you can see it in the preview messenger. And then once you're okay, and then you can save. And as you can see here, it made some changes with your Facebook page. So if someone messages you something, then they will see this message right away. And that's how easy it is to create Facebook page auto replies. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.